another video for you guys. This time it's a little more chill. It's about this beauty box that I got from FabFitFun. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely turn on that notification bell so you can stay up to date when I post new videos. I am going to be back. I took a little hiatus. I've just been enjoying my life, living my best life. But if you like these types of videos, stay tuned. And it is by FabFitFun. It is a seasonal box. I definitely highly recommend this, only because it's very affordable, where you only pay $50 a month. Sorry, $50 every 4 months. Correction, $50 a month. That's really expensive for a beauty box. But it comes with different items that appease whatever your fitness, your fabulousness, and your fun lifestyle. Okay, so one of the first items I want to start off with, these GLAMGLOW masks, which are actually multi-purpose. They actually take off your makeup. They help to oxygenate your skin, detoxify, purify, and help your skin to glow. It doesn't get any better than that. And GLAMGLOW is a very expensive skincare line, if you didn't already know, by it's called ALCHEMIST, and it's a botanical beauty polishing facial exfoliant, and then the other parts of this is in French. So I've already opened this up and sampled this like on the back of my hand, and it's amazing. It has this very fine grit to it, very good for helping to break up those little, I get these little nasty little whiteheads like all over my chin, and it's almost like clogged pores. I don't know what else to call it, but it's just all over my chin. This will be so perfect to help clear that up, because I don't really have a good skincare, like physical exfoliant currently. But yeah, this is another skincare item. This box was mainly like skincare, I noticed, based. The previous box that I had also had some skincare stuff in it as well, but I've only had 2 boxes from FabFitFun, and the only reason why I came on here to film a video is because it's honestly, in my opinion, very worth it, and it's a really good value for your money. I've tried many boxes in the past, such as BoxyCharm, AFC, Birchbox, you name it. I think those are the 3 main beauty boxes. This is a little bit of a twist because it's not just beauty. It's a little mixture of like household stuff, fitness stuff. It all depends on the season and what they feel is best to put in the box. So the next item that I got was by SKIN&CO Roma. What I really liked about this was a very natural smelling body wash. It almost reminds me of the Grown Alchemist. Very natural. I noticed that a lot of the products that they use, or that comes to your skin, is on the more natural side. So another beauty product that I got was this beautiful lip product, and it's by Touch and Soul. What I really liked about this is it's 2 lip products. It's actually a more shimmery one, and then the other side like a more glittery shimmer, and the other side is just more of a shimmer. I love these types of lip products for toppers. It kind of reminds me of the one that I got from Smashbox. They had this rose gold line that came out in, I think, the summer or the spring, and I had to cop it, and this reminds me of this very much. And the great thing about these boxes is, if you were to go out and buy this product alone would probably retail you for maybe about 20 bucks, maybe more. Yeah, it's a duo, so it's definitely going to be more than that. And you're getting this box for a quarter of the price of these items, to be honest. And you're trying out new things, and it's really dope. Like, I just love that. The next thing I got is by Crown Brushes. So they gave you a whole brush set. It's a set of 6 brushes. Very good quality. Very good quality brushes. They feel super soft. They threw an angle brush in there. There's a nice fluffy brush in there. A nice brush for packing on like your glittery shades. I'm not sure what this one's for. I also got a beauty blender. Let me tell you something. It took me the longest time of life to finally crack down and buy a beauty blender. For the longest while, I was mainly focusing on using like a Real Techniques. I was also buying a $1 beauty blender from Shop Missy. I'll have them linked down below and in the card above. But yeah, it's really good quality, very cheap. But I finally cracked down and bought a real beauty blender, and I still didn't even buy it for full price. I bought it off Nordstrom.com when they had like a sale. They will have like their items from their website on sale. Like, I'm talking about like Beauty Blender, MAC, like they're just makeup section you could use coupons on. So I cracked down and bought it. I think the blender usually retails for about $20 or $22, and I bought my first beauty blender for like 17 bucks. Yeah. So look out for Nordstrom and their sales. Don't be too afraid to shop all around and find things. You know, when you truly like something and you want to find like a good little discount. Like, I have my eye on getting a very nice candle from the boutique, so I plan on purchasing it through like a Nordstrom or wherever where I can use a coupon and get it my first candle and not break the bank. You know what I mean? So back to this before I got off on my tangent, but I cracked down and bought my first beauty blender, and I have been using it ever since. I love it so much. This one's a tan one. It's one of their newer colors that they have. They have multiple colors now, but I prefer the black. But I'm very happy that I got this beauty blender to add to my collection. Next thing that I got in the box was an umbrella. Ooh, it's very sturdy. Very sturdy umbrella. Okay, your girl, you see your girl wears extensions, okay? So when it's raining out, because it's actually a gloomy day, it looks pretty, you can kind of see that it's like, it's bright out, but it's actually a very gloomy day outside. And umbrellas like this, it's by Malandrino, whoever that is, I have no idea. It sounds like a designer. She designs this really good quality umbrella. It has a button to make it shoot up so you don't have to fight with it, and it's pretty in a way it's pretty compact. Like, you could pop this in your bag if you got a big bag or your backpack, you know. Another thing that they threw in here is some kitchen towels. I love the color and the aesthetic of this, but they give you 2 nice kitchen towels to throw in your kitchen. Last item that I have in this box is by Alfred. It's a ceramic and stainless steel teapot. So this teapot is actually, you open the lid and it's a stainless steel tea infuser. It came packaged, so I actually took all the packaging off. But look how cute this little thing is. You see this? Even this box, like this whole thing is a look. It's a vibe, okay? It is a vibe. It's a look. But it's a cute little teapot, and there's a little sifter inside. If you do that like fit tummy tea stuff or whatever tea is popping right now, it's perfect to throw in here and with your hot water, or even cold. I think it does hot and cold. It says for brewing times, white teas 2 to 4 minutes. It actually gives you the allotted time it should be for brewing. Okay, so it requires hot water. It is a teapot, so it makes sense. If it's cold, you wouldn't need to do this extra step anyway. So here are the paper goods that came in the box. It's not everything. I actually had this bar that I tore up after opening it, like for 2 seconds. I ate this right up. Oh, you can go on Amazon and get $3 off 1 box of these bars. They were actually pretty good. It almost was like, it says it's an almond filled fruit and nut bar. So I think the one that I had was a cashew butter one, but they're GMO, they're non-GMO, sorry. They're non-GMO and they're certified USDA organic and gluten-free. So if you have a gluten allergy, these bars are great. Great for, you know, a quick little pick-me-up after the gym. I don't know how much protein's in it because I can't read it because I ate the whole bar up already. Sorry. The next thing that was inside the box was this Hellofresh discount card, which I've seemed to misplace somewhere. But basically, it's a $50 gift card, plus you get $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. It's from Hellofresh. I've actually never used Hellofresh, but I've actually went online and seen a bunch of HelloFresh recipes, so I actually recreated it from home. But knowing that I can get this amazing discount, I probably might do HelloFresh pretty soon and film it for you guys. Why not? And I only paid 50 bucks for this box, and I'm going to use most of these items. Probably that, maybe not so much this. Maybe if I do find a good loose tea, you know that one tea spot in the mall, I might check it out. Do I even have one in my mall? I don't think I do. But there's like these tea spots in the mall by Trevanna. It is a tea brand. So you could even grab a loose tea from them and throw this in here and see if you like it. But once again, I hope you guys like this video, and definitely check out more of my videos. I'm going to be posting more consistently. I've been slacking. I am so sorry. Forgive me. So I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.